Today we are making panko crusted chicken. We are also making buttered noodles, which if you've never had, they're really easy to make and also really good. Alright, stick around and we'll see what happens. Alright, here is what you'll need. Panko crumbs, flour, some salt, and some eggs. In order to get an even cook, the piece of chicken must be the same thickness. So you can use a hammer, a pan, or even your car tire to make this happen. Once our chicken is ready, it's time to season. I prefer to season directly onto the chicken instead of adding the seasoning to the flour. Here I am just using pepper and some salt. Flip the chicken over and we will repeat the same process. I am using tongs just to keep things a little cleaner and a little safer. Next step is to prep our eggs. You simply want to crack them on a flat surface, place them into the container. Ooh, that was a close one. Just like so, and just whisk away. Depending on the amount of chicken that you have, you can add more eggs if you need some later. Now, I know we're not in math class, but this is our order of operation. First the flour, then the eggs, and into the panko. So place your chicken directly on the flour. Do your best to cover the entire chicken by patting it down or pouring some on top. It's gonna get a little messy, and that's okay. Now shake off the excess flour and into the egg. Again, we're gonna want to coat both sides as best as possible. From here, we go directly onto the panko crumbs. Go ahead and do your best to coat everything again as much as possible. Press down on it, get all those crumbs on there. This is the good stuff, don't be stingy. It will be worth it later, trust me. You'll want to repeat all these steps with all the chicken that you have. Once it's ready, place in one of these cooling racks. When all your prep work is finished, it's time to fry. Place the chicken away from you, so if any oil does jump, it won't land on you. Each side should cook between 3 to 4 minutes. It is a thin piece of chicken, so it shouldn't take too long. This is the color you are looking for, or make sure your chicken is cooked to 165 degrees. Once again, place on a cooling rack and cook the rest of your protein. Let it rest before you cut into it. As the chicken is cooling, we will prep our pasta. While we both watch this water boil, please help out and subscribe, like, and share my video. Okay, let's continue. Now, before putting your pasta in, make sure it's seasoned with salt, and then cook as directed. Once in a while, check it, making sure it is not overcooked, and this also helps with it not sticking to the bottom of your pan. Save a 1/4 cup of pasta water, drain the rest of the water, and place your pasta back in the pan. Now we will add about 2 tablespoons of butter, about 1/8 of a cup of the pasta water, and begin to stir. You can stir the pot or use tongs. It will take a little bit, but it will turn into a delicious sauce. And there you have it. Our chicken has now cooled for a little bit, and listen to that crunch. Oh yeah. Look at it. And that piece is for me. Now it's time to plate our food. You may serve this how you like, but I will be placing the pasta on the plate and then placing my chicken on top. And let's add a little bit of garnish on here. That's cute. there you have it, Panko Chicken with a little bit of buttered noodles, and it's good. All right, here it goes. We're gonna try this out. Ooh, there we go. Oh yeah. Just take a bite. This is for you. Let's get some chicken in there. There you go. Oh yeah, that's good. We'll see you next time.